Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character wàng step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write wàng. Means full moon. To hope, to visit. For example, 希望 to wish for. Hope. They hope to expand their company. 他们希望扩大公司的规模。They hope to expand their company. 他们希望 hope 扩大公司的规模。他们希望扩大公司的规模。They hope to expand their company. 他们希望扩大公司的规模。My daily handwriting on the character wàng. Wàng, full moon, to hope, to visit. 希望 to wish for, hope. They hope to expand their company. 他们希望扩大公司的规模。wàng. Please comment any words or sentence with the character wàng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.